Hey there, and thanks for stopping by my channel to hang out with me for this video where I share with you how I installed this beautiful new kitchen faucet. So if you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Anisha, and I hope you enjoy this video enough to subscribe before leaving. So to get started, the first thing I did was clear everything out from underneath the cabinet. And after that, I cleaned the area really well. Next step is to lay out all of the parts, make sure you have everything, gather your tools, and then read the instructions. The next step after that is to shut off your water. The shutoffs are usually located right underneath the sink. I like to leave the water running while I shut them off so that I know it's off completely. It's a good idea to have some towels or a pillow or something just to give you a little bit of support. You're going to spend quite a bit of time underneath the sink, so you want to try to be as comfortable as possible. Next, you're going to disconnect the water lines and be sure to have a little basin or bowl handy to catch the water because there will be some residual water left in those water lines. So here I'm just disconnecting the hot and cold water line. Once I had the water lines disconnected, I removed the locking nut that was holding the faucet down, and then I was able to remove the old faucet. After that, you'll just want to give the area underneath the old faucet a really good cleaning of any debris or old caulk that may have been there. Now I'm just attaching the new hot and cold water lines to the new faucet, and then attaching the threaded shank pipe to the faucet. After that, I installed the plastic washer underneath the faucet and positioned the mounting plate and inserted the water lines to connect it from underneath. Once you have all that in place, it's time to head back underneath the sink to attach the mounting nut and reconnect the water lines. Now I'm just attaching some plumbing tape before attaching the water lines. I tightened them by hand first and then with the wrench. And then I went ahead to the other side and repeated those steps. And once you have your water lines attached, turn the water back on and check for any leaks below, and then check the faucet. And here I'm just showing you I'm checking to make sure both sprayer settings work, as well as checking to make sure the hot and cold both work. And once you're done with that, don't forget to give yourself a thumbs up for a job well done. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider sharing it as well as give the video a thumbs up. And again, if you are new, I hope you enjoyed this enough to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in another one. Bye.